I'm gonna double check. I don't know for sure. I don't think so, but the market should not be closed tomorrow. Make sure, hey, this is like huge. Make sure if you use TradingView, please, I get this every year. Buy this Black Friday deal. It's insane. It's the like one of the best Black Friday deals ever. Buy it. It's top notch, right? It saves you so much money if you use TradingView. It's worth it every year. Um, I have like my freaking annual like runs out like right now, so I'm gonna be buying it later today. Uh, cool, market's open. Let's see what we got. Body count might be a little bit lower today too, just because it is basically almost a holiday. So, but we'll see who comes and who's a serious trader. Can maybe play that to the downside. Oh, they have a New Year special too. Is it even more? Is it cheaper? Is it 80% or what? Yeah, no AMD. No AMD. PLTR. Did they change their symbol or what? Weird. Wonder why it wasn't showing. Okay, weird. Q. Nice reaction off supply on Qs there. Bro, why don't you get it now for 70%? It's almost twice of 40. Supply and demand trade here. We got high, low, and if we break it. With the Qs kind of breaking structure to the downside, there is some demand down here, so I want to be careful of that. But with we hit supply and came back low, I wouldn't be surprised if SPY wants to follow that. Google might want to pump here. Let's see. It's gonna be a little dicey. Google, I either want to see us spend quite a bit of time inside here, or I want to see us take out this supply at 170.83 and then pull back, and I can play the rotation. So that is going to be on watch for TLM. But really, I want to either see price stay here, come up here, or really just stay inside and accept. Let's look at Microsoft. Some of the Qs don't really love anything. Don't really love anything here. It ripped yesterday, just a pullback today. Microsoft. Oh, sorry, this is Meta. Meta has potential. It was kind of trendy yesterday, I think. Not too bad. Yeah, Meta has good potential too. Hopefully we can make another leg lower. Kind of sweep these lows, pull back in. We'll see though. That could be that kind of stop one of these lows. We'll see. Goog back inside. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I really like this. I really like this play. I really like this. Let's see. I'm nervous about this supply. Is it on there on the 5 minute? No, it's not even there on the 5 minute. I'm willing to take that for 1 to 1.2. So 170.51. Stop of about, we'll see if we get the pullback. Stop of about 70 cents. Let's see if we can get on Goog. All right. I don't know if we'll get the pullback, bro. Gosh dang it. Oh, there it is. Okay, there it is. I'm too slow. All right. So 70 cents, that would be about 170. It'd be 50 cents. Listen, so let's do 8 contracts. Let's go ahead and just trigger that market. All right, in on Google. Right here, again, targeted, playing TLM, stops down here, have about 8 contracts. Again, I'd like to see this high taken out, but I feel like once that high is taken out, we're not going to be pulling back. So let me set my OCO. So at or above. I'm going to target 171.20. And then my stop, of course, is below that low there. 169. I'll just do 169.70 probably. Yeah, I'll do below 169.70. No, I'll do at or below 169 point. Let's just do 6.8. Again, I am nervous about this high, but I think we should be good. This is looking like good acceptance. Looks like we kind of bounce off some demand in here, right? So there's the dog. There's the dog. Welcome in, Ivy. All right, baby, let's rip it. Let's rip it. Yeah, it's looking good now. Looking good. If we pass middle line, bro, it's over with. Current position. Uber ended up breaking that high. So if I get a 5-minute. Honestly, do not mind this at all. Boom. Target up to the high. I feel like that's a really good setup. I wish it wasn't. I wish there was market was open tomorrow. I would take that because there's no promise that it hits today. I could do next week expiration. I'll just keep watching it, see what happens. Boom. Google just pumped. About 250 on Goog. Let's see if we can just keep pushing. There we go, up 330. All right, need to see just a nice little one more push. Wait, we got above that high. That's what we wanted to see. I don't think there's any supply up there, is there? Yeah, there's literally no supply. So, but something's up there. Something's up there. Look at that. Something's trying to sell us off. But we'll see what happens. Same thing for Meta. It's kind of playing out that same way. I wish it would have gone a little bit lower, though. Man, just a little bit lower. But Meta, if we can kind of, so let's just pretend that's a high. Let's say we take that high, we pull back. I'll look to take it for sure. Let's see that hold. If that can hold, we're golden. Let me get all the way through my watch list. And we already caught a trade. All right. Amazon could possibly short here. Is this yesterday? Nah. I don't like it for shorts. Look at Apple. Did it already rotate? Yeah, Apple already rotated. SPY. Is Q's dumping? Q's hit down at demand. It's not really a strong high. All right, come on, stop playing with us. Let's just watch this, see what happens. Yeah, there's definitely some sellers up there. I don't know if it's just this. Like, I don't know. There's definitely something going on up there. Yes, I am in the trade. Not saying that's a dumb question. Maybe you missed it. But yes, I'm in the trade. I got in on this candle right there. Okay. I got in at 170.36. That's where I got in. Okay. Contracts were worth 127 a piece. I have 8. So we'll see. There was definitely some sellers up here, man. It's weird. Definitely some sellers. We'll see. Well, if it goes to red, it goes to red. I still like the trade. Honestly, it's even better now for this pullback, even though it's a pretty strong pullback. But let's see if market's half day today. Well, we got PCE. Is it half day? Or would Friday be half day? So full day. And I think Friday's half day. I don't think I typically trade. No, Friday's full day. Okay. Buyer stepping back in. Meta, if we can take this high, that's what I'm looking for, to take this high. There's another one, Uber. Yeah, Uber's going, man. Man, I wish market was open tomorrow. Amazon not going to touch, right? Friday. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. Yep. All right, baby. Let's rip it. So now that zone's not fresh anymore, we should be good. Can't ever just be easy, can it? You can't just go to Target. Always got to be exciting. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else I like. Never really look at futures anymore. I guess Tesla maybe, but it never follows rules. TLM. Boeing maybe would be okay if we take these highs and pull back, but LTR no, IWM no. So Meta, let's wait. If you want to take Uber, you have my grace, but I'm not going to take it. Google's ripping. All right. Now just go to Target, and then we'll be good. Stop playing around, Google. Google really likes to play around, though. It's a flirt. Hallelujah. Hey, puppy, you're okay. Anything you guys are? Dude, nice, John. That's a snipe. Good job. Now just push it higher, baby. Let me get off that so we can let's just watch it. I don't think there's anything else worth looking at. Nice. Maybe we'll get a third pullback. No, just kidding. We should not. If it pulls back again, it's probably an L. So just keep that in mind. Yep. What do you want me to look at, brother? Just turn on electronic. What do you want me to look at? Does V have good options? No. Spreads are like $40. They're okay. I just don't like wide spreads. What do you want me to look at, brother? Yeah, Google is coming back down. Gosh, dang it. I don't think I've ever traded Roblox. What are their spreads like? Their spreads aren't bad. Well, at the money isn't bad. Yeah, man. So TLM is same as SPY. So I was already looking at SPY. Yeah. So same question that guy just had, that Jim Joe had, right? So yes, you could take this trade on TLM here, but you want to see this low break. Okay. You want to see this low break and then maybe pull back, because this is where my stop will be. Okay. My stop will be above these highs. So the trade itself will look something like this. Okay. That's what that trade would look like. You can target the other side, but you want to see these lows break. You want to see the market start to trend down if you're going to get short, right? The market hasn't started trending down, right? We got up, 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 up. Let me get rid of these pivot points. Sorry. Right. We've gone, market's just been up, right? Up, 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 up. And then we came lower, but we never really took out any low yet, right? So there's a good chance we just keep going higher, right? So you want to see that low break. You see that? You want to see this low break, right? If I just move this up, right, and draw a trend line, we haven't broken trend, right? There's been no change of trend that has occurred yet, right? That's what you want to wait for. And even better, let's say we freaking stop hunt this high, boom, come up and hit supply, pull back, and then we dump. Like now you have your strong high stop. Like that's ideally what you want to see. Not saying there won't be a setup there. It's just not there yet. Okay. Same exact thing on SPY. All right, come on. I'm getting a little bit of theta, I think. If you could return, don't let it burn. Let's see what happens. So for ES, I would do by the number of points. I don't do futures options. I would do by the number of points. So if it's 10 points, I want to risk, $500. I would do what, 2 contracts? I think is the right math. Not a bad idea, John. We'll see. Good ripping. Meta's not wanting to come up, so it's probably done. SPY is holding though. So are the Qs. So it makes me think if Google can get some buyers, we could push. Little mid-morning push. I got my OCO set, so I'm chilling with it. Typically what I do is if we come up and break like the next high, I move my stop break even because, for whatever reason, they come up like this, we go to 171.19, I don't get filled, and then we dump, right? I don't want to take that L. So, but this for me isn't close enough to put stop break even yet. I just see a little bit higher. But more than likely, if this low breaks, more than likely it'll hit stop. So more than likely. But I don't want to move my stop up there yet because it's still inside TLM. So just want to be patient with it. Yep, I'm in calls. That's correct. I'm in the 170 calls. Oh, no, TradingView will not show that. TradingView will not show that. I use right on Thinkorswim. It shows you exactly what it is, right? So let's just look right here. So for example, I'm on this. Oh crap, you can't see this. Maybe if I add this in. There you go. Okay. So you see this right here. So when I got in the position, okay, my stop is 70 cents. Okay, 68 cents. How I calculate it is I go, okay, from our current price, okay, what is 60 cents? Okay, or 70 cents. Sorry, let's just say it's 168.70. Okay, right. As you can see right here, per contract, so the total amount of contracts I have, I usually just do one. It's $371 if I lose this trade. That's my risk, right? And that's estimated. You know, it could be a little off, but the blue line is at end of day. Okay, so about 371 in a day. Okay, for these 8 contracts. I typically calculate it off one and then do the math in my head, but like this loss, if I lose, is estimated to be 371. Okay. Then I know on the chart, if my risk reward is higher than 1-to-1, I'm good, right? But it literally just shows you right here what you want to look at, right? It literally just shows you what you want to look at right here, right? We could do another one. Let's just look at like SPY. So for example, on SPY, I want to get short, you know, right here with my stop above this high, targeting the other side, right? Target really doesn't matter in this equation, okay? What's my stop? It's 90 cents, okay? It's 90 cents. So if I wanted to take this trade, okay, and get short, right? Take this trade, okay? What's 90 cents from the current price? Okay, it'd be 601.50, right? 601.14. 601, let's just say 601.15. God, my mouse is getting stuck. Let's say 6130, 6120, right? So it'll be about $50 per contract, right? If I want my loss to be, you know, $500, right? I'm gonna do 10 contracts, right? If I want my loss to be $300, I'm gonna do like 7 contracts, right? Now I have it all calculated, right? That's all I have to do. And then all I have to do now is just freaking set the OCO or enter the trade at market price, right? Because my risk is already calculated, right? That's literally how easy it is, truly. Just math. As long as the maths, you're good. Let's go, baby. Exactly. That's correct. Yep. I only use TradingView for charting. Yep. Let's turn this sucker around, huh? Uber's coming back down. Huh. I caught out my name. Mm-hmm. No, there's not. So there's 2 ways to trade it. You can either have a margin account, right? Basically, you can, as soon as you close the position, you get access to the cash again, or you can trade on a cash account. And the benefit to a margin account is you get the cash instantly, right? You have to have over 25K to be able to fulfill more than 3-day trades in a 5-day window. Then there's also a cash account. Okay. A cash account allows you to trade with 100% of the cash that you have with no restrictions, right? But whenever you take a trade and you close that trade, that cash needs to settle for 1 day. So if you have $1,000 in your account, an option costs $500 to take the trade, right? It costs you $500. When you close the position, you now only have $500 to trade with, right? Or if you lose or win, right, it changes. But you have no more than $500 to trade with, right? That news must have not been too hot in the market. Uber liked it though. Weird. Google didn't like it though. Maybe what we need to get some volume kicked in, and then we'll see. All right, that makes sense though. Yeah. Yeah, Google playing with us, bro. Playing with that news. Yep. And honestly, good risk management there. I'm gonna hold on to it, but good risk management. Like if that was your plan, then that's your plan, right? John, I also want to, if you're still here, I do want to tell you something about where you had your stop. So the 50% retracement mark is really a magnet, right? That's where institutions want to get price. So putting your stop at the 50%, I know why you did it, was to protect your risk. But that is where price wants to go, right? That's where they want price to go, is that 50% mark, right? So you having your stop there is exactly what they want, right? To push price higher. Again, I don't think you're the reason price went higher. They didn't grab your money. But yeah, that is where that's where institutions want price to go, because that's where they, right, want to buy, right? So just letting you know that there. No, yeah, exactly. I know why you did that. I'm just letting you know, hey, that is the worst spot to put your, in theory, that's the worst place to put your stop, right? Uh, no, I have a subscription. Yeah, I have a subscription in TradingView. You actually like have to have a subscription to do pretty much anything you want, like anything fun, right? My daughter's outside. What is she doing? My daughter at the front door. What is she doing? There's my wife. She just came up walking up. She's so cute. See you, babe. Yeah, she's pretty cute. My wife puts her hair up like right in the middle, like a little piece of broccoli. Yeah, yeah, that's a yeah. You need to subscribe. You have to buy the actual TradingView, get it for Black Friday. Then you also have to buy live data. I think it's like $7 a month. I could be wrong. It could be low. It could be 5, but I think it's like 7. Um, Futures, yeah, okay, yeah. It'd be the CME Mini or CME. Yeah, I can look at it. I forgot. I'm the one sharing my screen. Let's just go home. I think it's right here. Yeah, right here. See, CME, CBOT, COMEX, anyway, the CME group, E-mini included. I have that on a reoccurring. That's the only one that you should need. They do have some other things too, but to my knowledge, that's the only one you need. Because this stuff comes like maybe it's a tiny bit more accurate, but I have yet to notice a difference in it. So, like I don't know, why they sell this. Like I don't know how. I don't know. I don't know, but yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boogly woogly. Come on, bro. It's being redonkulous. Maybe you can. Maybe you can. I don't know. I don't connect it. I don't connect my TOS to TradingView because you can't trade options on TOS TradingView. So I don't even connect it. I don't know if you even need NinjaTrader. I don't know if you need NinjaTrader. Dude, what you should do, instead of using NinjaTrader, use Tradeovate, and it can sync right with TradingView. Use Tradeovate. They're the same company, to my knowledge, or they work very similar. NinjaTrader is like the old head futures. I'll say that. Meta supplements. I have the same watch list every day. So I just look at the Mag 7 plus some indices and then some. So is Tradeovate. Tradeovate's super cheap. Yeah, I just have the same watch list every day, trade those, and then I use scanners for swing trading. That's about how I do it. Boogly woogly. Yeah, man. Just here. What are Ninja's fees? NinjaTrader's fees? Yeah, there's a scanner in the vault course. Yep, there's a scanner in the vault course. Yeah, I think I'm pretty sure they're the same company, or someone bought out the other. Freeze. And I ain't going back, Molly. Sure, it was lucky. Did you short it? I assume you shorted it, yeah. But that's what you could start to look for shorts now. Yeah, I don't know if this will be this probably be a dud, not a dub. A dud. Let's go, baby. Nice. Good job, Angel. My man. HCHR. Bro, that doesn't even pull up. You got the ticker right? You sure you got the ticker right, bro? ACHR. Okay. Archer Aviation. Nice. Yeah, bro. Beautiful. It's gone. That's freaking straight up. Sheesh. It's nice. Yeah, maybe, bro. Stop on. Stop on. Maybe. Well, y'all, I'm just gonna. So I got my OCO set. So I got target, stop. I got this alert here to move my stop break even if that alert goes off. Yeah, that's pretty much everything today. I appreciate you guys tapping in. If you can for me, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and like this video. Okay. Please. And lastly, for all you guys, right? If you want to learn a little bit more about the exact way, that I do things here, and so you guys can be just as comfortable as me with the market, I'm going to attach a little free video for you guys that should help you with some understanding of how to do that. Okay. So let me post that in here for you guys. Just a free little training for anyone that hasn't watched it. You guys can watch it right there. I just dropped it in the comments there. Or in the chat. Sweet, y'all. Well, I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving if you're celebrating that tomorrow. Again, market will be closed tomorrow, so be mindful of any swings that you may have. Half day on Friday. Outside of that, enjoy, and I'll see you next week. Peace.